Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth segment of this logo design course, where we transition from theory to the hands-on sketching. We have covered the theoretical aspects so far, which might have bored you, but don't worry, as now we are diving into the exciting phase of creating hands-on sketches on piece of paper. These are the keywords that we have collected from the mind mapping process. So let's grab your pencils and let your creativity turn these keywords into tangible sketches. If you're feeling any difficulty to start, then simply create individual icons for each keyword, just like this. And then experiment with different combinations. So without any further delay, let's dive into the sketching process. We are done with the sketching process and it's time to finalize the sketch. I have decided to finalize this sketch as it has a minimal and geometric visual with multiple integrated elements that reflects the brand's personality, vision and values. So let's refine this sketch. And here we have our refined sketch. In the next video, we will convert this refined sketch into digital form. Until then, take care and have a nice day.